Have you ever wondered how some people can literally sneeze fire? That's exactly what happened when this guy did it in a subway. The moment it happened, everyone around him was completely shocked. Some people even started running away, convinced they had just witnessed someone with real-life superpowers. What makes it even crazier is that there are no special effects involved at all. So how is he actually sneezing fire? If you look closely, you'll notice something interesting. The fire isn't coming from his nose. Instead, it's shooting out from a tiny device cleverly hidden inside a ring on his finger.